We're in for new tires here. Got a nail or something in the front one, and they're not real good anyway, so I decided to get 4. I don't want to be stuck somewhere and have a bad tire. Need to see about getting the oil changed too, I think, while I'm here. Tiny looking little brake drums here. Front brakes actually look good on it though. There's a good guy here. He told me I could come in here and work on my car if I want to. That should be the one. That should be the one with the nail in it. There's one new one ready to go on. Nice little shop here. Got a lot of tires in stock. Got the Michelin Man. Have the Michelin Man here. Another tire place next door. I need to remember this guy where he is when I need stuff done. It's a friend of a friend, and they took us right in. Just came in, and he started right in on putting 4 tires on. And have him change the oil too while I'm here. 8,000 baht for tires and 1,000 baht for change the oil. $1,000 is like $30. So I don't know what an oil change goes for in America anymore, because I always did my own. Tires are all back on. Now it's going up for the oil change. And this guy here, he actually speaks some English too, so that makes it better, easier for me. I'm talking with a mask on, so it's a bit, and it's a little loud in here sometimes. I need to look under this when it's up there. Never really got a good look underneath. Not up high anyway. He's even blowing out the air filter for me. Good service. We got the Incredible Hulk. This one we got the Michelin Man. And he had Spider-Man inside. A lot of used car sales down the alley here. And hopefully people watching this will subscribe. It's free to subscribe. It might help me someday get paid. I don't know. I'm a long way away. I need a lot of subscribers. I know my life's boring, but at least people can see what this country's like. And they're putting 3 of the old tires back in. We're going to go give them to a friend. They can sell them or put them on a used car.